Welcome to part 2 of our Venetian walking tour. Today we step into the Rialto district, the city's ancient pulse of trade and commerce. The Rialto Bridge, completed in 1591, is a Renaissance engineering marvel. It rests on 12,000 wooden piles driven deep into the mud, designed by Antonio da Ponte. It famously beat out designs from Michelangelo and Palladio to become the city's most iconic crossing. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Built into the arch itself are 24 small shops. Historically occupied by goldsmiths, they still offer Venetian treasures to this day. Standing in the square is San Giacometto, considered the city's oldest church. Its unique 24-hour clock once helped merchants track the trading day. An inscription here famously reminds merchants to be honest and make no false contracts, serving as the market's moral compass for centuries. Just steps away, the Rialto market has been the city's pantry since 1097, alive with the sounds of fresh produce and daily life. The fish market, or pescaria, is housed in this stunning neo-Gothic loggia, where tradition meets the bounty of the lagoon every morning. Nearby sits the Fondaco dei Tedeschi, originally a 13th century hub for German merchants, recently restored to its former glory. From its rooftop terrace, you gain a rare perspective of the city's terracotta roofs and the serpentine curve of the Grand Canal winding below. Adjacent to the bridge stands the Palazzo dei Camerlenghi, once the exchequer of the Republic, and even a strategic prison for debtors. Gliding down the canal, we encounter Ca' d'Oro, the House of Gold, which remains the finest example of Venetian Gothic architecture in existence. Further along is Ca' Pesaro, a Baroque masterpiece commissioned by one of the city's wealthiest families and designed with monumental depth. The Grand Canal is the city's main street, stretching nearly 4 kilometers and reflecting the evolution of Venetian wealth and power. To cross these waters like a local, you step onto a traghetto, a stripped-down gondola that has linked these shores for generations. As the sun sets, the Rialto transforms into a glowing stage of lights and reflections, a timeless symbol of Venice's enduring spirit. Thank you for exploring the heart of Venice with us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.